In this video, we're gonna see three simple app, highly rated app that you can help you make some good amount of money. It's not like any little money like $1, $2. It's a big money. You can make some good amount of money with this website. So watch till end and find out what this website is. The first website we're gonna see is manifest.com. Manifest.com. This website is for only influencer. If you have Instagram account, you can make some good amount of money. It's like a promoted post website. If you have 1,000 followers or even 500 followers, you can easily make a $10 per Instagram story. Easily you can promote some brand product to your Instagram story and get paid in a little manner. Just if you have a large amount of followers, you can do large amount of brand deals like $100 or $200 or even more than that. If you don't have that, you can literally easily make money on this is the website. Like I said before, he, they can help you to build your strong brand relationship and help you to make money. And this is the case study. And these companies work with some big names in the industry: Revolt, Samsung, Mondelez, AliExpress, Bolt, Avon. Can easily get paid. And these apps I'm going to show you, are highly rated in the App Store and the Play Store. This is not like any low rated apps. This is highly rated app, and you can do it over and over again. And the one good thing is it's available worldwide. It doesn't matter where are you from. You can do it whatever or whenever or wherever you want. You can easily make some good amount of money. This is how it's gonna look. You can just post some stories of your picture or some brand product, and you can just tag them which brand you need to post or which brand they allow you to post. You can tag them and you can get paid easily. You can do it over again. This is just some example, three example: the Huawei company, the phone company, some retro ad, something like that. And in many cases, UGC can reflect the brand's ideology, increase the level of trust, and convince the target. Simple, you just post your stories for our brands and you can get paid. Easily, you can make some money. The leading companies are working with this company, and it's a trustworthy company and easily get paid. And I show the app how it's can look. This is the Play Store app. It's how we're gonna look. Just MNFST, raise your influence. And this is the become an influencer, create eye-catching content, and promote brand and get reward. You can easily make $100 per day or even more than that. Just to post at least two stories or three stories, you can easily get paid. And you can withdraw your money instantly via PayPal or bank account or any other services they provide. You can easily get your money instantly. This is one of the best feature of this app, and you can do it over and over again. This is the Google Play version of this app. MNFT, raise your influence. Easily you can get paid. It's a simple app and you can get paid. The second one is called Daily Raffle. This is like a casino app. Like little bit of fucking gambling, but you can make some good amount of money with this. It's like a daily raffle. It's a free application with a daily price starting from $10 up to $500. It's like you can join a competition and hope for your luck. Once you get win, and you can withdraw your money easily. If you own $10, you can get $10. There is a lots of competition going now one day, and you can join any number of contestant, any number of competition, and you can hope for your luck. If you own, you can get paid easy. It's like a gambling. If you have a luck, if you have confidence in you, you can go to this and grab some good amount of money with this. And also you can combine the first website and this website and the third website I about to show, and you can make easily the big money. Not like a $1, $2 everybody talking about. It's like a big money I'm talking about. It's not something like any small or any little. It's a big money. you can easily make. This is a simple app, like I said before. Just to join and just to choose a number. If once your number get it, you can get paid. Simple, easy. Just it's all about luck and your confidence in you. Easily. Just to come out to this and click download app. And this is the version of Play Store and daily effect. Easily you can get paid. And this got 4.1 rating out of 5. So simple up guys. It's like a gambling, like I said before. You can easily make some good amount of money with this. Last but not least is called Bus Break. Bus Break is a app that lets you make money by reading articles. If you love articles, if you love news, you can easily get this app and you can get paid for that, for reading. For one downside, this app has is only available on Android. App Store is coming soon, so wait for it. If you have an iPhone, if you have Android devices on the side or secondary devices, like, you can install this app on Android devices and you can read your favorite articles and you can get paid over and over again. For this, you have a PayPal account. If you have a PayPal account, connect this website and you can get paid easily, and you can do it over and over again. It's like a hobby makes you money, or passion makes you money. You can easily get paid by just reading article and you can get a knowledge too. If you get a knowledge and also money, it's the best way in the world. You can live life simple and you can get paid over and over again. And this is the Play Store version of the app. Like I said, it's don't available on App Store because it's coming soon, so wait and cross finger. I hope they develop an iOS version of this so everybody gets paid for reading articles. This is the best break. Read funny videos and earn free cash. Read, watch videos, whatever it is, and you can earn real cash. Simple as you think, can get cash of whatever you want. And this rated is almost a 4.4 out of 5. It's a pretty good app. Everybody makes some good amount of money with this and you can do it over and over again easily. And without any further ado, this wind up the video and quick recap of this app. First one is mnftmanfest.com, and second one is dailyrefill.com, third one is busbreak.news. And this is the video how you can make good amount of money with the three simple apps and you can do it over and over again, and it's available worldwide. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, like and share, and comment below what you thought about. I see you in the next video. Until then, thanks for watching. Make money online. Peace out.